Yeah, hi guys. So Chris and I have been back to Slim World today. So this is our actual second proper week. First week was joining, then last week we both had a loss. Last week I lost £3.5, and what did you lose, Chris?
I lost £6 last week.
£6 last week. So we've been again today. Chris lost £3.5 and I've lost £4. If you look out for my videos, I put a video up every week with some of the meals that we've eaten during the week, so that gives you the idea of the things that we've been eating. Anyway, we both got our half stone award because we've actually both lost just over half a stone. So we've both got that award today, and I got Slimmer of the Week. And if you get Slimmer of the Week, you actually win the Slimmer of the Week basket, and I'll turn you around, show you everything that we got. Okay, now first of all, these are the things that we actually bought ourselves. So we bought these last week and they're absolutely delicious. They're 3 sins if you're on Slimming World, and these are the fruit and nut bars, and they are lovely. They're actually Chris's favourite. These are my favourite, but Chris does like them as well, and these are the Millionaire shortcakes, and these are also 3 sins, and they're delicious. So that's like our little guilty pleasure, if you like. And then I picked up this, and it's the Slim and Wild little book of lunches. So look out for my videos when I start doing some of these. And now I'll show you what we actually won in the Slim World basket. So we got this. This is a bag of the British baby potatoes, some garlic, so 3 bulbs of garlic here, and some mushrooms, sliced carrots, three tins here of mushy peas. Oh, I love this stuff. Mixed bean salad. If you haven't tried this, it's lovely. 2 cans of plum tomatoes, a tin of chopped tomatoes, passata, Alpen bar, that go in our little snack thing, 70 calories, so just work your sins out. And then we've got 2 packs of these sugar-free jelly, actually 4 packs, because each one is actually a double. So there's 2 of the orange jelly, 2 of the raspberry jelly, and yeah, always comes in useful. So this little lot was all in the Slim World basket for Slimmer of the Week. Well, without that lot there. But yeah, go me, eh? See you next week when I report how we did on our Slim World journey.
Bye.